Aujourd'hui, c'est mardi le 13 avril. Nous avons un objectif du jour. Leçon, les plats. Now I'm allowing you to speak English. Who can tell me what it means, les plats? I hope that you don't think that it means the plates. I knew that you knew that the plate was l'assiette in French. Now check it out, what les plats mean. Okay, so that's right. Les plats means the dishes. But the dishes more in the sense of all the different words that you put together to talk about specific food. Okay? So as in,
the ham sandwich becomes le sandwich au jambon. The pork roast becomes le rôti de porc. Chicken soup becomes la soupe au poulet. Tomato salad becomes la salade de tomates. Cheese fondue, ça c'est bon, becomes la fondue au fromage. And chocolate cake becomes le gâteau au chocolat.
to do that in French, you are going to need to know 3 rules, okay? 1, 2, 3.
So the first rule is more like a step, and it's what I call the inversion step. So what you do is that you take the translated word of the dish in English and you change its order. Like in ham sandwich, if you change the order of ham and sandwich, in French, if you translate it, it becomes sandwich au jambon. Same thing for tomato salad, becomes salade de tomate. Pork roast becomes rôti, which is roast in French, de porc. And chocolate cake becomes gâteau, which is cake in French, au chocolat.
I switch the order. For instance, ham sandwich becomes sandwich au jambon. So, in English, ham comes first. In French, jambon, which is ham in French, goes after. It's the second word. Sandwich is the second word in ham sandwich. Sandwich is the first word in sandwich au jambon. Okay, the second and third rule are going to be about the connector words. Because I don't know if you noticed, but in French we use quite a lot more words than in English. Actually, for all the food that we just described, we use at least one more word. And that word is the connector word. First, we're gonna learn how to use a as a connector word to describe these food, and then we're going to do it with de. But let's start with a. Okay, unfortunately for you, my friends, a will change form depending on the word that follows it, right? So, a becomes o when the word that follows is, try to guess. Oui, that's right, masculin, singulier. Okay, whoops, sorry for that. A becomes à la when the word that follows is, yes, you got it, my friends, féminin, singulier. Now, a becomes o when the word that follows is, oh my god, you're so good, pluriel. And a becomes a when the word that follows, what's the last one? L'apostrophe. Yes, that's right. When it starts with une voyelle, a vowel. Okay, so a couple of examples. Le sandwich. Now you see that poulet, it's in blue, so poulet is masculine. Masculine. Do you see an S? No. Masculine, singular. What are we going to be using here? That's right. Oh. Now, second example. La soupe, oignon. Now, what's particular with oignon? First of all, oignon. What does it mean, oignon? Onion, that's right. Okay? So, what's specific to oignon here? What does it have special? That's right. It starts with a vowel O, right? So, A, L apostrophe. La crème glacée. You know very well this one. But what you don't know is that vanille, look at it, it's pink. Vanille, vanilla. Vanille is feminine. Okay? So what are we going to be using here? That's right. À la. And now the last one, it's the dessert. La tarte, pomme. Now most of the time in an apple, pomme. Now most of the time in an apple pie, do we have more than one apple? Yes, we do. Alright, so that's why we have an S here to pomme, apple. You remember pomme means apple? So you have an S here. So where you're going to be using? You're going to be using AUX. Okay, so these are your examples. Now the third rule is actually just another connector word that you can use, okay? And that you're going to be using only in specific cases, okay? So this connector word is de or the apostrophe, okay? In English, it actually means of, okay? De and the apostrophe, you are going to be using only and only for la salade or la viande. Now I'm allowing you again to speak English. What do you think it means, la viande? That's right, you guys, that's right. It means meat. Meat. Oui, très bon. But then you're gonna ask me, Madame Garnon, when do we use de and when do we use the apostrophe? You use de when the word that follows starts with a consonant. And then you use the apostrophe when the word that follows starts with a vowel. That was a smart question. Now examples to use de and the apostrophe. Example 1. La salade, concombre. What do you think it's gonna be? De or the apostrophe? Yes, that's right. Concombre starts with a C. Is it a vowel or a consonant? It is a consonant. Yes! So, de. Very smart. Vous êtes intelligent. Okay, now example number 2. Le rôti, agneau. What does it mean, agneau? That's right, lamb. Agneau, agneau. Okay, say it with me. Agneau.
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 Très bien. Okay, le rôti, agneau. Oui, you saw it starts with a vowel. Okay, so des apostrophes. Très bien. So that was your lesson on les plats. Remember, first, inversion. It's not the chicken sandwich anymore, it's le sandwich au poulet. Second, connector word. Most of the food are gonna have a as a connector word, okay? So try to see where it applies, and then connector word number 2, de. That's only for salade, and viande, which means meat. Okay, that's it. So now go on Google Classroom, get the lesson in the PowerPoint, the Google slide, and try to do the assignments at the end of the Google slide. Au revoir, bonne journée.